So if you want to know how I went from this to this, be sure to keep watching. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. And if you're part of the Tony team already, this is going to be different from my usual content. So today I'm actually showing y'all how I do my own pedicure. It's going to be kind of like a dry pedicure, so I'm not soaking my feet prior. But basically, instead of me doing a poly gel set like I normally do, I'm trying these toe press-ons. The press-on brand is actually BTARTBOX nails, and I paid for this with my hard-earned money, okay? So it's not no brand sponsorship deal or anything. I'm just trying them out because they look cute. I got them for about $18 give or take, and also they claim to last anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks. Before I hold them up to the claims, I have to make sure that I prep my nails correctly. So right now I'm using some cuticle remover. I'm actually taking my drill and I put on the cuticle bit. So I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see more, but basically I'm removing my cuticles. It's essentially what you do when you push them back, but I feel like my cuticles just grow like super crazy, and I feel like it's more than the average person, so I have to do extra work to clean them up. Y'all get the idea, so I'm just gonna speed up the process and y'all could just vibe out to the music. Literally the same process, but I'm going to do my right foot. My apologies, y'all, bear with me. This is my first time making a video like this, so I didn't have the best angles, so you know, I'm gonna have to do what it do. But for all the products that I use in this video is gonna be linked in my description. Be sure to check it out. I made life easier for you and just put everything in the description. So for the next step, y'all want to be sure to use lint-free nail wipes. I'm just saying, don't use the fluffy cotton pads or like the cotton balls, because it's just going to start putting dust and cotton, things that you don't want on your nails, Off camera, I actually went and switched out the tip for the drill. So this is like a soft, well, it's a fine file bit. So you just want to file your nail, make sure that everything is removed. You don't want to do too much, that's why I'm using the fine file. The point is, you just want to file your nail and make sure that it's smooth. I'm actually not going to fast forward this part because I want y'all to see it actually takes time. And if you're a beginner, you don't want to rush. Like, be sure to hold your toe. You'll figure out what works for you, but you don't want to end up filing away at your skin. Choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows shit. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. I don't want no thinking I'm a problem. Now that I'm done filing my nails, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my nail brush, and this is just to get all the dust off. I'm actually gonna go in with another nail wipe again with the alcohol. Be sure to fully saturate the nail wipe, this way you get all the dust off. Drum roll, please. So now for the part everybody's been waiting for, I'm just unboxing the nails. They not playing. This sticker was real hard to get off. So it comes with the nails, obviously. It comes with some sticky pads for the nails. I don't think those will last. It comes with an alcohol pad, some instructions. Yeah, we're gonna need those. A nail file, a cuticle pusher, and also some nail glue. I'm not gonna be using the nail glue today or the little stickies. I'm actually gonna apply them with the liquid nail glue that I bought from them. I couldn't find my stainless steel cuticle pusher, so I'm just using this wooden one. Nail glue reveal, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, it just looks like nail polish. I'm just getting ready to size out my nails. So for this step off camera, I just took my time and figured out which one of the tips fit my actual nail. So y'all don't want to forget this step. I'm actually using Mia's Secret Nail Hydrator. Everything is going to be linked in my description box, but I think I got this for like $8 or so. Basically, the point of this is to remove all the moisture from your nail. So like all the natural oils, everything like that. That's actually what's going to keep the nail on your actual nail bed. All right, so let's get right into it. I'm kind of nervous because I don't really know the texture of the nail glue, but we about to find out. So one thing I really like about these tips is they kind of have like a little bit on the top. You see what I mean? To help you stick the nail on. One thing I learned from this application process is next time I will actually use my mini lamp so that I can just cure the nail for about 5 to 10 seconds before I put all my nails in the big lamp. Basically, I'm holding my nail while it's in the lamp for the first like couple seconds, and then I let it go. So it's like it's not even curing for the whole 60 seconds, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna end up just putting all my nails back in the lamp all together for a full minute. Because the nails are soft gel and I believe that their glue is like gel based as well, it just helps everything just adhere and stick on. But we're gonna see how easy this process is. Also, I will keep y'all updated on how long the nails actually did last. By now, I'm actually finished my right foot. So this is what I meant by like the little nubs that they have on top. So I'm actually just gonna break these off. Really easy to do. I'm actually going to use the little file that they had in the kit, and this is just to make sure the top of my nails are even. I don't want to have that like line of demarcation where I just pulled the little nub off. Like, nah, we're not doing that. So I went ahead and did that on the other side off camera, and they actually came out so cute so far. So the next step is going to be to add top coat. So I'm actually using a SC top coat. And same thing, it's in the description. I love this top coat because it's really shiny, it's really smooth, and it's not too thick. Like, you know how some top coats it's just like really like goopy? Yeah, none of that over here. So now y'all see the finished product. Your girl is poolside, right? So I just actually went out to see how they look in the sunlight, and they turned out really good. I was in the pool, they didn't come off or anything. I also hit like my foot on the side of like the chair. Yeah, they didn't fall off. So I'll let y'all know how long they last. Just follow up with me in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Yo, which girl can say she stress me out? That's a fucking clown. Cause if her man seem broke, she have to do it out. And if she screw, she get a box on her dirty mouth.